Happy 4th of July from Reunion Resort, Orlando. Guys, they are having a huge 4th of July party, and we are here as the fireworks are starting to go off already to show you everything. So come on, let's go party! Woo!
All right, guys, let's check it out. So we're going inside the lobby. So this is Reunion Resort. We're heading in. All right. So basically, the front part is going to be all the food and everything, but the back is where all the fun is. So let's go out the back and check it out. There we go.
That one went wide left. All right, garbage can, head to the back of the line. I caught that one. That one went crazy. Supercharged. No one doing this time. Blue team got one. Come on, red team, you can do it. Blue team, you just have to do a little more than red team. Oh, and in and out. It's got to stay in the bucket to count. Adults, this is way harder than it looks. Red team, what's happening? All right, garbage can, back of the line. Oh, it bounced out. All right, time is running out. Just 10 seconds left.
All right, so we're gonna head down and check out what's down there. So basically we're having some key games up there, which is awesome. That's why it was so loud, that's why we were just kind of watching. But then down here, this is where driving range is, and the chipping area is. But what they had down here, we don't know. So we're gonna go find out. Okay, so that is where the fireworks are going off. Straight out. And these guys are already setting up for the fireworks show. All right, I get it. And then we got the food trucks. Check out the food trucks. So basically, the fireworks are gonna come straight off where that blue tent is all the way in the back. They're gonna go straight up. That's where everybody's lining up already. We got about an hour. And they got 2 food trucks.
This one, they got fries, they got wings, they got shrimp, they got chicken tenders. Just some classic, traditional kind of food, but with something really
And there's a line to get the food.
Let me put my water there.
Alright, the other one definitely looks like a barbecue. Oh yeah. Alright, cool. Alright.
They got barbecue here.
Yep, already said that. We're good. Alright. So, this is Reunion. This is the party. We're going to go check it out and see what's going on. You guys take care.
as you can see, ton of neat stuff to do. Some fun characters down there dancing. You got the robots, photo off the Statue of Liberty. You got 2 food trucks down there. And of course, the fireworks are getting prepared in the distance for show tonight. So, if you enjoyed seeing this, give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tell us in the comments what you'd like to see more of. And as always, have a great day.